I've seen a lot of messy project files in my time, so today we're fixing that by setting up a master new document in After Effects. Okay, let's get started. Start by opening a blank After Effects project. We're going to establish the foundation for our master file. Let's head to the project panel, usually the first place things get messy. We're going to create our folder structure. You can use your own naming convention, but here is mine. _assets, which is where we will put all of our images, audio files, graphics files, and imported footage. So within the assets folder, we'll then create audio, and then footage. Next is graphics. And finally, images. Now within the audio folder, let's create some folders to separate the different types of audio. Music, SFX, and VO. In the footage folder, I don't generally have any subfolders, so in the graphics folder, let's separate it up a little. I only use two folders in here, AI for Illustrator files and PSD for Photoshop files. And that's it for the assets folder. Now let's move on to the remaining folders. So let's create _main comps delivery. This is where you can have your final output composition files. Next folder we are creating I call pre-comps, and this is where we put all the composition files created during the standard workflow. And that's it. Feel free to add whatever folder structure you want and that works for you. Now let's save this out. Go to File, Save As, and Save As. Navigate to a folder where you want to save it. I use a Resources folder in my User Documents folder, but it could be anywhere. Name it masterprojectfile.aep, then click Save. Now let's make After Effects load this automatically whenever you start a new project. Go to Settings, which loads the preferences, and then select New Project. Tick the box that says New Project Loads Template. Then click on Choose Project Template and navigate and select the file we just created. Click OK in the top right and close the Preferences window. From now on, when you click New Project, After Effects will automatically load your organized folder structure, and that's it. A simple setup, but it makes a massive difference in keeping your projects tidy, consistent, and fast to work with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.